Good morning, children. Today we have to write the question answers. Okay, children. Second lesson, food for us. No. Yesterday we completed long answers. Today you have to write the think and answer. Okay, children. You have to see the textbook and write the answer. Okay. First you have to keep the heading think and answer. Okay. Write the question. Think and answer. What is that question? Deepa is very tired after playing. Deepa is very tired after playing. What should she drink? What should she drink? Tea, cold drink or fresh juice? Cold drink or fresh juice? Fresh juice. Why? Say, children. Deepa is very tired after playing. What should she drink? Three drinks we kept in front of Deepa. She drink which type of drink? Tea, cold drink or fresh juice? You know very well. So which drink gives Deepa very fast energy? Fresh juice only. Okay? Right. Answer right down. Fresh juice contains sugar. So fresh juice only she drinks. Write down. Deepa should have fresh juice. Deepa should have fresh juice. Juice has sugar. Juice has sugar. Which will give Deepa? Which will give Deepa? Give Deepa energy. Sugar contains no, so it gives energy. Tea and cold drinks are not good for health. Are not good for health. Okay, children. Understand? Deepa. Okay, Deepa should have fresh juice. Juice has sugar, which will give Deepa energy. Tea and cold drinks are not good for health. So we also avoid the cold drinks, and tea also not good for health. Better to drink juices. Okay, children, completed this answer now. Next bit. Very easy bit. You have to do it. See, activity here given, no? Look at the picture and complete the word puzzle. Very easy. You have to write the names. Okay? See here pictures given, no? What is this? This is fruit or vegetable? Vegetable, no? Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Here mango. Here milk. Here carrot. Already given. Orange. This is egg. You only write in these columns. In boxes. Okay, children, write in these boxes. Just missing letters only. Very easy. No, next project work. It is very easy. How to do it at your home. Okay, children. Your teacher will divide the class into 3 groups. Group A will make a poster on bodybuilding food. Group B will make a poster on energy giving food. Group C will make a poster on protective food. Your teacher will display the posters on the class bulletin board. So now we are listening online classes now. So we are not learning in our classroom. So at your home only, you only particularly 3 groups start you have to prepare. Better to take one chart like that, and you have to write upside project work. You have to write. You have to draw 3 columns. Okay, body building food, energy giving food, next protective food. You have to draw that like that only in the chart. Better to purchase some posters, means stickers outside. We are in the market available in that posters, small pictures. You have to paste at least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay children, paste that food items names. Body food, building food items, next energy giving food items, next protective food items names. Okay children, this is your project work. Next here value. One day Uma went for a class picnic. Read what she did. Uma went for a picnic with their friends. What she did. You also do the same, means you have to tick that. Okay, she shared her idlis with Rohit. Sharing, food item sharing, you are also doing no? So it is correct. You are also tick like that only. Okay children, next she took only as much as she could eat. Sufficient food only she ate. You also doing like that only no? So you have to tick right. Next, she washed the apples before eating. Washed the apples before eating. Fruits and vegetables we are eating. Some fruits, some vegetables we are eating raw now. So we have to better to wash and eat. That is also good habit. She threw the fruit peels in the dustbin. After we are eating, some fruit peels have no small seeds or that banana peels like that. We have to throw in the dustbin. She cleaned up the place before leaving. She sat one place. Afterwards, she leaving that place, means she keeping that place neat. So this is also good habit. So cleaned, totally cleaned that place. Okay children, understand? Today we have finished this lesson. Tomorrow we will start another lesson. So better to do the project work. That is yours. Okay. Homework. Here only write. What is the homework means? Do the project work. Do second lesson project work. See children, homework. Do the project work. Second lesson. Okay children, this is the homework. Second lesson project work we have to do. Thank you.